Glitter makes everything better.
Hello lovies, it's me Shanice and welcome back to my channel where we talk about beauty and all things bougie. It's time for another video. Yes, hey, another video time. Hey. Alright lovies, so in today's video we will be doing this super beautiful aquamarine glitter fairy look featuring Midas Cosmetics glitters and the Jaclyn Hill palette. So I'm so excited to get into this look. I think it just looks beautiful and I cannot wait to share with you my lovies. And I just want to say hello to all of my lovey subbies. Hello to all of my new lovey subbies. And if you're not a part of the lovey dubby family, baby, that leads me into my next point. Don't forget to please subscribe to my channel, become a lovey subby today. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to comment down below. This is the emoji that we'll be using today. Don't forget to please share this video. Yes, girl, share me with your friends, okay? And last but not least, don't forget to ring the bell. Ring 8. Don't forget to ring the bell so that way you're notified every time I upload a new video, which is every Sunday at 6:30 p.m. Central Standard Time, and sometimes on Wednesdays for a little bit of bonus content. And one last thing before we get into the video, I do want to say that I am putting together my 300 subscriber giveaway. I'm just trying to get everything, ordered and get it in. It's just really hard right now with delayed shipping due to COVID-19 still lingering around. So I just want to say hold tight, my lovies. I am getting the giveaway together. Please just hold on, and I hope you guys love it when it is that time. All right, my lovies, let's go ahead and get into this look. It will be a voiceover, you know what I'm saying? So sit back, relax, get you a little wine, get you a snack, and enjoy this look. I hope you guys love it. Alrighty. Alright lovies, let's go ahead and get started. Now I am here with my bare face, clean skin, and you can see my birthmark that you probably did not know that I had. Alrighty, let's go ahead and get started. And I am just brushing my brows into place, just grooming them with a spoolie here. And if you want to go kind of more in depth with my eyebrow, technique, I do have an eyebrow tutorial that I have uploaded and I will tag on screen. But I'm just taking my e.l.f. eyebrow pomade to just fill them in and create the desired shape that I would like. And I am taking my time to do so and make sure that these brows are popping, honey, okay? And next, I am going to go ahead and take my e.l.f. concealer here, and I am just using this to sculpt the brow, sculpt out the shape that I want. As you can see, when you first draw them on, it is not at all always perfect, but you do want to take a concealer that is 1 to 2 shades lighter than your skin tone and just sculpt up underneath them, get them nice and cleaned up, and really accentuate that shape that you like. And now I am just taking my foundation shade and cleaning up the top area of my brows, and then now I'm going to go ahead and go in with a dark powder and just blend underneath there to blend that concealer in. I'm going to go ahead and take a spoolie brush just to brush them in place. We're blending them. Yes, the brows are the focal point of our face, but we do not need them standing out in the wrong way, ladies. So please take a spoolie and take 2 seconds to blend. Alright, boom, eyebrows are done. We're going to go ahead and prep our eyes. This is the NYX Jumbo Eyeshadow Pencil in Milk that I am blending on my eye with my finger as a base. And then I'm going to go ahead and go with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Eye Primer to prime the eye and get it ready for the color. We're going to give them a little bop bop because we're excited for the color. I already know I'm doing the tape trick so that way I can have some precision with the eyeshadows, and I got it on my hair, but that's okay. Keep going. We're going to go into the infamous, Jaclyn Hill palette. I'm starting this look out with the shade Chip, and I'm just gonna go ahead and brush that into my crease just to give it a little bit of a starter color, a nice transition shade. And as you can see, I'm kind of tapping that in, plus using some back and forth motions just to really blend that out. And next I'm gonna go into the shade called Jada, which is a super pretty teal shade, and I'm just gonna pat that into my crease a little bit higher than the crease, but just on the inner 2/3 of the eye, really just packing that in and trying to get a lot of color payoff there in that front portion of the eye there. Now we are digging into this green color called Enchanted, which is a beautiful dark green, and we're going to take that on the outer third of the eye just to really create the shape and pack it on in there to get a nice gradient effect. And I'm going to go back in with Chip just to marry those colors together, blend it out. You already know the name of the game, okay? We blend, blend, blend in this house, okay?
And I'm going to take a dry brush as well just to continue to blend and get it to a point to where I feel that I am satisfied with how those colors are playing together. And I did go back over both of those green shades one more time just to make sure that they were not lost in the blend, and sometimes that's necessary to keep your color story going. And again, I'm going back over that with a dry brush just to blend, okay? And this is the little happy dance I'm giving you all because I'm happy with my blend. Now I'm going back in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills eye primer, and I am cutting out this crease, honey. Okay, just take your time, do what you do, because I'm doing what I'm doing and it's not perfect. I already know. And I'm gonna go in back with the Enchanted shade on those outer corners and just blend that in and sweep it into the crease and just continue to get a really pretty gradient effect for the backdrop of that cut crease. Thing with that Jada shade, just sweeping it in the front of the eye, again to give that cut crease a really beautiful backdrop. Now we are going to go into Pool Party, which is gorgeous. I mean, look at that thing, okay? And we're gonna pop that all over where we have placed the ABH primer for the cut crease, and just really take your time and pack that on the lid there. Okay, so boom, I'm going back in with Enchanted. You know you could never blend too much, my lovies. So continue to blend until you feel it's right in your spirit. And now it's time for glitter. This is the Ecstasy glitter by Midas Cosmetics, and I'm laying down my glitter primer by NYX. And what you see me doing here is just patting that glitter primer on and just taking my time and laying it precisely kind of where I want the glitter to go, so that way I can have as much control as possible. And now I'm gonna go in with a brush, a separate brush, to the glitter and just pack it on everywhere that I put that glitter primer. And you see me going back and forth between glitter primer and glitter because I'm working section by section, taking my time to get it exactly how I like it. So you already know that I am taking the Enchanted shades and Jada again to continue to blend, to soften it up around the glitter. And I thought that I needed a little bit more depth, so I went in with a darker glitter by Midas and just put it on the outer corner to make it pop. Already know I got glitter everywhere, so I'm just taking tape to clean up as we prepare for the skin. And I'm going to go ahead and start moisturizing with my Clinique Moisture Surge Moisturizer. I'm just taking my fingers and pressing that into the skin and rubbing it everywhere. Okay, we're ready for the skin to pop. Go ahead and color correct with my Ruby Kisses color corrector and natural orange. I'm just putting that wherever I have some dark hyperpigmentation on my skin that I would like to even out. And I'm going to go ahead and set that with my Clinique setting powder. And I'm just taking a brush to press that in everywhere that I put that color correcting. And it is time to prime. I'm using my e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. And I'm just pressing that into the skin wherever my pores may be large. I'm just using my fingers to do so. This ain't deep, sis. You already know it's not deep, but just use your primer, okay? Use your primer. Don't make me get you. And I like to set my primer, and I'm using my same Clinique setting powder that I used earlier. It's time for foundation. Let's go ahead and use our Milani Concealer in Perfect, as well as our Wet n Wild Photo Focus. And of course, my favorite e.l.f. powder brush to just blend that into the skin. Take your time, ladies. Work section by section. This foundation combo is going to give you the ultimate amount of coverage, so you can take your time and really blend it in. Time to conceal, one of my favorite steps, and I'm taking two concealers by e.l.f. here in Deep Cinnamon and Medium Beige, and I'm just lifting and brightening and warming the skin with those. And of course, I am taking my flat top brush from the Amazon set that I got, that I told y'all about, for $11.99, and I'm just using it to blend in both of those concealers underneath my eye. And make sure, ladies, blend that all the way down. We don't need no flashback, we don't need no clapback, we don't need no nothing. So blend, sis. I'm just gonna go ahead and set that concealer with my trusty Never Dusty Chalk Dust Setting Powder in the letter N. I love this by the Crayon Case, sis. Go ahead and pick some up. And I'm just dusting away the excess powder with my large fluffy brush, again from that Amazon brush set that I was telling y'all about. Speaking of trusty Never Dusty, Maybelline Fit Me Pressed Powder never lets me down, okay? Go ahead and set the rest of your face with that Maybelline Pressed Powder to control the oil. You're setting your liquid foundation. We're just gonna stay in place, honey. Yes, ma'am. You already know we're gonna give them a little blush, you know, just warm up the face a little bit. And of course, we cannot do a look in this family without highlighter. So highlight those cheeks, that nose, above the eye, under the chin. Everywhere on your face deserves to be sun-kissed. At least that's what I believe. So go ahead and highlight, ladies. And I'm going to go ahead and do a nude lip because our eyes are so bold. We do not want to take away from the glitter. It's already doing enough talking for us. And we're going to do a simple gloss and a nude lipstick to make it pop. Alrighty, my beautiful lovies, that is our look for today. I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you as always for taking a little piece of your day to spend with me. I love spending time with you all. Don't forget to subscribe and we'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.